In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall an email in Outlook, on both the desktop app and the web version. Let's start with the Outlook desktop app, since that's where the classic recall feature lives. First, open Outlook on your computer and go to the Sent Items folder. This is where all the emails you've already sent are stored. Find the message you want to recall and double-click it so it opens in its own window, not just in the reading pane. The recall option only appears when the message is opened this way. With the email open, look at the top of the window for the Message tab in the ribbon. Depending on your Outlook version, you might see an option labeled Actions or More Actions. Click that, and then choose Recall this message. A new dialog box will appear with two choices: delete unread copies of this message, or delete unread copies and replace with a new message. If you just want the email gone, choose the delete option. If you need to correct something, choose the option to delete and replace. Outlook will open a new Compose window with the original content, so you can edit your message and send it again. When you're done, click Send, and Outlook will try to pull back the original email and deliver your updated version instead. Now, it's important to understand that recall in desktop Outlook only works in certain situations. Both you and the recipient usually need to be using Outlook with the same type of business or organizational account, and the message often needs to be unread in their inbox. If they've already opened it, recall may fail, or they may see a notice that a recall was attempted. So, think of recall as a best effort tool, not a guaranteed fix. Let's move to Outlook on the web. Here, the classic recall feature is much more limited or not available in many setups. However, there is a useful workaround: the undo send or delay feature. In the web version, go to your settings, then look for Mail settings and find the option that controls undo send or sending delay. You can set a short delay, like a few seconds, so that every time you hit send, Outlook waits before actually delivering the email. During that delay, an undo option appears, letting you cancel the message before it leaves your outbox. While this isn't a true recall, it's one of the most reliable ways to catch mistakes right after sending, especially on the web. Combining careful reviewing with this delay feature gives you a practical safety net, both in Outlook on the desktop and online.